Yield farming, the ultimate guide for beginners. Want to know how to earn money through yield farming and cryptocurrency? If you're looking for a way to make your digital assets work while you sleep, yield farming could be the answer. In this video, we will explore what yield farming is, how it works, the benefits and risks involved, and how you can start your yield farming journey. What is yield farming? Let's begin with the basics. Yield farming is a process of using your cryptocurrency to earn money by lending or staking it on decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Imagine putting your money in a savings account to earn interest at your bank. Yield farming works in a similar way but is done with cryptocurrencies. You're lending your coins to others or providing liquidity to various platforms, and in return you receive interest or rewards. So instead of just holding your crypto, yield farming allows it to earn more money for you. How does yield farming work? Now, let's break down how yield farming actually works. Choose a DeFi platform. To get started, pick a reliable, decentralized finance platform. Some popular choices include Aave, Compound, and Uniswap. Each platform offers different options for earning, so research them to find what fits your needs. Provide liquidity. Once you've selected a platform, you'll need to provide liquidity. This usually means depositing your cryptocurrency into a liquidity pool, where it can be used by traders for swaps or loans. Earn rewards. By providing liquidity, you earn rewards based on the liquidity you contribute. The higher the demand for transactions on the platform, the more you can earn. Withdraw your earnings. After a period, you can withdraw your earnings along with the initial amount you invested. You can choose to reinvest your earnings to grow your passive income even more. Types of yield. Farming. Now, let's discuss the various types of yield farming strategies available. Lending. Platforms like Aave and Compound allow you to lend your crypto to other users. You earn interest on your lending, which can result in passive income. Liquidity pools. On decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap, you can deposit tokens into liquidity pools and earn a share of transaction fees. This can bring in consistent income as long as the trading volume remains high. Token farming. Some platforms incentivize users to stake their assets in exchange for their tokens. By locking up your tokens, you might earn additional coins from that platform. Dual yield farming. Some advanced farming strategies combine several methods, allowing you to maximize returns through innovative approaches. Benefits of yield farming. Let's look at some attractive benefits of yield farming. High returns. Many yield farming strategies offer much higher returns than traditional investments, making them appealing for those seeking substantial growth in passive income. Low entry barriers. Many DeFi platforms allow you to start with small amounts of cryptocurrency, making yield farming accessible for most individuals. Passive income. Once you set up your yield farming strategy, your assets work for you, earning income without requiring much ongoing effort. Innovation and support. Yield farming is at the forefront of financial innovation. You become part of a growing industry that can yield greater investment opportunities. Risks of yield farming. Like any investment, yield farming comes with risks that you should be aware of. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Yield farming platforms rely on smart contracts, which can have security flaws. If there's a bug or exploit, you could lose your funds. Market volatility. The prices of cryptocurrencies can change rapidly. If the value of your staked or lent assets decreases, your returns can also diminish. Impermanent loss. If you provide liquidity, you may face impermanent loss if the price of tokens changes drastically compared to when you first deposited them. Regulatory risks. DeFi is a rapidly evolving space, and regulatory changes may impact platforms and strategies in the future. Platform reliability. Not all platforms are created equal. Always check the reputation of DeFi platforms before investing. How to get started with yield farming. Ready to start your yield farming journey? Here's a step-by-step guide. Research platforms. Start by looking into reputable DeFi platforms like Aave, Compound, or Uniswap. Find one that aligns with your goals. Choose your cryptocurrency. Decide which cryptocurrencies you want to use for yield farming. Stablecoins like USDC or DIs are generally less volatile options. Set up a wallet. Use a crypto wallet compatible with the selected DeFi platform, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure you secure your wallet. Provide liquidity. Follow the instructions to deposit your assets and provide liquidity to the platform. Understand any lockup periods or fees involved. Monitor and withdraw. Keep track of your earnings and the overall performance of your investments. Periodically, review the market and adjust your strategies as needed. Conclusion. Yield farming opens exciting opportunities for earning passive income with your cryptocurrencies. By understanding how it works, the potential benefits, and associated risks, you can create a successful yield farming strategy. As you start your yield farming journey, remember to do thorough research, start small, and continuously educate yourself about this dynamic market. With patience and smart investing, you can watch your wealth grow while you sleep. So, are you ready to dive into the world of yield farming? Let's get started today.